Hi you guys, it's Charlie aka Miss Charlotte. Hope everyone is doing okay. Sorry if the lighting's off a little bit, but as normal, let me see. There you go, that's a little bit better. So I just went to Papa Murphy's and bought a chicken ranch pizza, and I have the oven on preheat, so that's going to be my dinner for tonight. But today I came home from work and all I did was lay in the bed and just be lazy all day and kind of rest a little bit, whatever, because it's been a very long week. And in my bed resting, I was watching a few YouTube videos. Like, lately, I've been obsessed with watching the TV version of Titanic. Why, I don't know. It's because I came across it the other day, and I had never seen the TV version of Titanic. It's the 1996 version of it that was featuring Catherine Beta-Jones or something like that. But basically, you know, it's nothing like James Cameron's Titanic, where it has all the graphics and it just looks like it's so real with the ship sinking and everything. It doesn't have all that. But what I did realize about this version of the movie is that it has a lot more facts about the history or about what happened to the Titanic than it did in James Cameron's version. Because in the television version of this movie, it actually shows the Californian, the wireless messages that were going back and forth between the rescue ship and the Californian. It showed more information about how Mr. Ismay, or the chairman of White Star Line, how he was pressuring the captain, how he was pressuring the boiler people to make the ship go faster, you know, just giving direction, something that the captain should have been doing. It showed more information on the millionaires, the important people that were on the ship or whatever. I mean, it showed so much more detail and had so much more facts in this movie than James Cameron's movie did. Basically, if you were to watch this movie, if you never knew about the history of Titanic, you watch this movie, you'll certainly learn about Titanic back then. Watching James Cameron's film, it had some points in it about, you know, some facts about back in the day, but I think it was more focused on the technology of how they made the movie and the storyline. Like, if you were to watch James Cameron's Titanic and you never knew nothing about Titanic, like the part where they started shooting off the fireworks, you wouldn't have known what the hell they were shooting off the fireworks for, because they didn't mention anything about the Californian, the rescue ship that was like 10 miles away. They didn't mention anything about that. So they would have just been shooting off fireworks, and you're like, what the hell? What the hell are they shooting off fireworks for? So there's a lot of facts, I think, in James Cameron's movie that they did not show, that they did show in the 1996 version. And I actually like the 1996 version. So basically, my obsession with Titanic has been rekindled because as I was watching these videos, I came across another YouTube video that said something about Titanic 2. And I'm like, Titanic 2? Apparently, it is an actual remake, the actual reconstruction of the Titanic that Blue Star Line is coming up with. That is supposed to, either they're reconstructing it now or they're going to start building it in 2016. So basically, it is the same as the original Titanic, but with all the modern, you know, technologies and Wi-Fi and safety measures and all that stuff. So basically, it's going to have all the new stuff, but it's going to look similar to the Titanic back in 1912. In fact, on the next video, I'm going to actually read some stuff about that in the next video. I have to go ahead and put my pizza in real quick, and I don't want to have any interruptions. So stay tuned, you guys, if you want to hear about this Titanic 2 thing. Yeah, stay tuned. It's going to be quite interesting. All right, holla back.